Hi, welcome on my first Christmas vlog. My name is Kate and I'm so happy you're with me today. And we'll do some cooking, we'll do some unboxing, and first of all we'll stay positive and healthy because that's the most important in this year. So stay tuned.
And now it's time to put some Christmas spirit in our hearts and house. So let's put some candle and ask our little helpers to help us.
Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas.
And we would not manage with some sweet vitamin D pills? Yeah, I think this will convince her. So Stella's task is to decorate windows with little stars. She loved the task so much that unfortunately we ended up in many furnitures having a lot of stars. But Christmas is about being happy, so whatever makes her happy, we will do it. Carrot, onion and jalapeno. We will do fish tacos, and also we need some paprika and coriander. You fry fish and also can fry some prawns with garlic and white wine if you want, and then serve it on taco bread and enjoy the meal. Also our cat got some prawns.
Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you know? Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you
Tell me if you're also a fan of Christmas caps. I had to buy a few actually for my family and friends. So this is my Christmas coffee.
Soon we will forget.
Hello everyone! Today is the time when we start Christmas vlog from 1st of December, and we'll do also unboxing of 4 different calendars. And I think every third day I'll be uploading a new vlog, and this is on the request of my Instagram followers, so here we go. And it's lunchtime, so time to cook some nice meat. I'm getting a lot of positive energy from your comments of my stories when I'm showing you what I'm cooking, and I know that you want to know what I'm cooking. So today I will show you a very smart and short recipe. It takes 25 minutes to serve the food on the table, and you are taking the pork and marinating it in, you're cutting it in some small pieces, and then you are marinating it in soya and honey for like 10 minutes. When it's being marinated, you are cutting sweet potatoes and putting them to the oven for 20 minutes, also cut in pieces. And let's fry the meat meantime.
Cut cucumber in random slices, and then you can add a little bit of lime and some coriander on the top. And whenever I cook, I have dirty plate. This is the plate where I put everything that makes the kitchen dirty, and then in the end I recycle all the products accordingly. So plastic to plastic and veggies to bio.
Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you know? Oh, it's time for Christmas.
Now it's time to do unboxing. We have 5 calendars to open, and we'll be opening every vlog 3 boxes. So today we'll start from 1 to 3 in all 5 calendars. And first we'll start with Makeup Revolution. This is how it looks like. Oh, it's so big. Okay, so we will go to number 1. I need to take that out first. So we have beautiful Bake highlighter. It's kind of silver-ish tone, really beautiful. You know that I like Makeup Revolution. I have quite many of their products. You can see them in my tutorials. So yeah, that's number 1. Here we have number 2. Ooh, we have lipstick. It's beautiful brown. It's milk chocolate brown. Really nice. Awesome. Number 3. I really like this calendar already. As you know, actually I started my YouTube channel last year with unboxing, and I had a lot of good stories from last year. We'll see how this year will be. And to finalize the lip contour and to match that lipstick, we have lip pencil. Really, really nice. Okay, awesome. And now let's go to the next calendar, and now I will introduce you something from Sweden. This is Kicks. This is a shop kind of like Sephora or Rossmann or Boots, any drugstore really. They have really cool products, international, but this one they have advent calendar with only Swedish brands. So now let's do some research here and open their calendar. Ta-da! So let's go to number 1. So in the first we have just a polisher. You know, normally with the first I expect something boom. So you have a very good spirit for a whole advent calendar, but here we have just polisher, which is okay, we don't need that. And then we'll go to number 2. It's here. Okay, and here we have Velvety Weekdays Calming Oats Hand Balm. Really nice, I think it's around 30 milliliters. Hand care is always handy. And number 3. Okay, that's something. Oh yeah, this is the brush. This is face brush for makeup removals, for cleansing. I have similar from Nibia, and I love those kind of brushes. And because I already have one, I will make a giveaway from those advent calendars, and I'll put this cute brush in the giveaway that is waiting for you guys very soon on my Instagram channel. Okay, and then we'll go to something big. It's huge, very heavy. Start with number 1. Fillers, and here we have 3-in-1 moisturizer plums. Light white moisturizer, nourishing your skin. It's full size, cruelty-free, vegan product. And because it has such a good ingredients list, it has 94% natural. I want you also to have it, so I'll also put this to the giveaway. Then we'll go to number 2. I think for now Makeup Revolution is the winner. But let's see what we have here. It's moisturizing balm. Let's open it and see. Ooh! This is really cool color. I saw that first ingredient is hydrolyzed wax, which is really good. So I will leave it for the giveaway for some lucky winner for Christmas. Okay, and box number 3 is... Wait, sorry, this is Hey Honey. I love this brand. This is Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey Peel Off Mask. I have a very similar mask from them, so I will also let you enjoy and put it to giveaway. This is amazing brand. I really love their products. I have cream and scrub and mask and peel off mask. So this goes also for the giveaway. I have 2 more to open. One is from Look Fantastic, and I also have Sephora calendar, but we'll keep it for the last. Okay, so here is the 4th, and look how cool it is. It looks to number 1. And actually this calendar from Look Fantastic has 25 boxes, so they gave 1 extra. Okay, we have tray number 1, and it has Blush Glow Duo from Natasha Denona. Ooh, good start, good start. This is, guys, how you create advent calendars. You don't start with polisher. You start with Natasha Denona. Beautiful. Beautiful. In number 2 we have a brush from Luxie. Really nice. It might be for blush, it might be for the highlighter. Really, really cute, nice brush. And Luxie has really good brushes. We'll go to number 3. It's quite heavy. And here we have, okay. This is the Molten Brown London, and this is the shower gel. I really like the smells of their products. Oh, it smells so good. I also have 2 packages of their products. They are amazing. Amazing. The bottle is so cute. Beautiful. They are not natural products, this I can tell immediately. I've been studying their ingredients list before for other products, but hey guys, this is something that you should smell and try. It's delicious. And we'll go to the queen, hopefully, of this opening. So this is Sephora, and first box is really tiny. Oh, but it's long. It's long. It's long box because it looked like this. But here we have Sephora Original Vitamin C Plus E Super Glow Serum. Number 2 we have, okay, that's a surprise guys, we have Natasha Denona Super Glow Extreme Shine Crystal. Unbelievable. We have second palette from Natasha. Huh, totally different. And then we have number 3. And here we have from Respire, this is French brand. Wow, this is a shampoo bar. Really cool. Wow. And it smells really nice. It's quite tiny, but I believe it is powerful. Really nice shampoo bar. This is something I didn't try yet, and I really support non-plastic and sustainable products. So amazing third part of the box from Sephora. And that was it. I loved it. I hope you enjoyed the whole vlog, and see you in 3 days.
It's time to take a stand with our